Welcome to J&J's test video of SBLE284. This is an 11 GX460 that Luigi decided to take a nap in. There's nothing really wrong with it. We took it in. That's what we call trade-ins. We just buy them, just trade it in. No rush, no nothing. 180,000 miles. Has a little boo-boop right here on the front bumper. Runs quiet. What are you doing up there? He's a goofball. CD player works. We change the station. Truck. There we go. Track 2. Eject. There we go. CD or roof works. Try and cover all the bases while we're in here. Let's listen to that engine. Good and quiet. Give it a little revs. Do that silly. Drive it around, sure the transfer case works. Come on, hop down. Come on, get down. Oh, bum. All right, so we're in high. Put this thing, shifter's a little swish. All right, there's neutral. Push it. 4 low. 4 low. See it up there? I'll go into drive. There's low. Alright, back into neutral. Back into high. Alright, come on. Now we're in high. Alright. Running, driving, shifting. There's your mileage. 188.92. Screen works. Trying to think. Oh, I gotta test this mirror over here. Oh, dang, they want them down here. Ding, ding, ding. I got no seatbelt on. So mad. Well, look, mirror goes down. That mirror on that side's broken. All right, park that. Camera works. Map, all that stuff works. Driver's side, mirror, up, down, over. I don't know where it folds. This mirror switch is broken like a lot of them. Can't figure out the fold. Is it up there? Oh yeah, there it is. Push the whole button. There it goes. All right, that's tested. Power seats work. We'll see if we'll take the tracks off. But that's it. All right, as always, thank you for watching SBLE284.